This is Ken with the swirl phosphorus. Easy is the sign. I'm going to weld on electrode here. So I'm doing the EA. I'm going to weld this electrode on. Then we're going to do a bend right on the weld. So weld the electrode on. We're not going to blow and stretch. We're going to make sure it's sealed and get it good and welded, stuck together. I did blow a little bit, but I'm not going to blow it all the way out. I'm just going to leave it alone. Oh. Okay, so I'm going to put the weld right on the edge of the flame. The higher you go, the least you're not going to heat as much glass. Down here it's really bushy, and up here you can control where you want your heat a little better. Okay, we're there. Set yourself up, give it a little stretch, bend it, blow it out. Okay. You want it past center. Okay. Then we line this up for our, this is a right angle going into a housing. So we have to, that's what this mark is right here, is a hole in the sign cabinet. It's a 200 housing. So I want it to stand this tall here. That's too much. So right there. I might as well put my electrode holder back on. No need to fight it. There it is. So I'm heating the mark on this edge of the flame to make this drop. And to make sure that the electrode will hit that housing dead center, you gotta mark your glass just right. Okay, this is just a drop. Straight down, blow. Go to your pattern. Make everything nice and flat. Make this right there perfect. Okay. Put that back on the pattern where it goes. Right there. And this is going to be another drop. So I mark that corner, then I mark about 1/4 of an inch to the inside and about 2 tube widths on the outside. So see that? That's the way I do this. And I forget it, and I have to practice it once in a while. 18 mil, 3 tubes taped together to get the right height here. And if you don't mark it the way I've marked it, then you screw up. You got to mark it so you know what you're doing. You want to heat past that center mark just a 1/4 of an inch. Perfect. Okay, there it is. Now we're going to do a double back, come out from underneath it. Okay, so I'll need my glove. I normally would just put it in the block and let it cool and come back and grab something else. And we're going to do a double back right. I didn't mark it. So we've got to have our block, make sure we're over our hole where we're supposed to be. Okay. So now this mark, we're doing a double back. It's in the center of the flame. Set yourself up, bring it around and blow. Just like that. Okay. I'm going to heat this up a little bit right here and make, because it's not fitting the pattern exactly like I like it. So a little bit of heat right here will fix it. Okay, he's hot enough. Come over here and put it on the big long one and make sure this is right there. Whoop. Right there. Okay. Now we're going to mark, just make a 90 flat bend on the table. Got to turn our pattern and bend away from us. Right there. And pick it up. And you're going to set it back down the way you put it up there. So this is a center mark as well. Double backs, right angle bends are all center marks. You put that mark in the center of the fire. Okay, set yourself up. Do your bend. Don't over bend it. because it screws the bend up. If you come backwards, it screws everything all up. You'll know, if you ever do this, you'll know what I'm talking about when you do it. Okay, mark that one right there in the corner. Same thing, going to turn the pattern. Trying to keep this pattern in the center. Here we go again, center mark. Center. Okay, we are there. Don't overbend it. You can bring it in. A lot easier keep bending it on the pattern than bringing it back, because it collapses the bend. If you overbend it and you bring it back, it collapses the bend. So this is a center mark as well. You want to keep that double back out of that, directly out of that flame. And then put a little bit of heat around the other sides that aren't getting any heat from heating this. Right angle, center mark. Okay. There we go. Are we fitting here? We are. Look at that. Nice. Okay, so then we're going to have a weld right here. Right there.